Hello, warriors. Hello, healers. Happy Thursday, the time I'm recording this. I am praying that all of you doing well and you are maintaining this cold flu season and going into the holidays, that everything that you wish for and you manifested desire will happen. All right, so today it is a great day and I have great news. And before I talk about what's happening today, what I'm going to discuss with you today in video, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for all of you that have been patient with me. Many of you have been coming into the clinic, seeing all the changes, like you and I have been talking about the struggles and the challenges that we are facing right now. And you still created space for me and to listen as I'm venting because I don't know how much you know about growing a practice, actually growing a business. It has not been easy, if I'm being honest with you. Because I have such a passion and desire to do what I do, and I do it well with, your participation because it is a partnership relationship, right? To help you heal your body. I can show up for you, but you also have to meet me halfway. So those of you that are actually doing the work have been reporting to me how well you are doing. Like literally. And all of you that have done the detox program has literally telling me how well you've been doing. So that kind of give me the drive to continue, right? If you guys know me by now, I'm very transparent, I'm very honest, right? I'm not gonna sugarcoat and make it look like everything is perfect over here and my life is perfect, I'm perfect. It's not. There has been a lot going on. And as I mentioned to many of you that are coming in to receive IV, when I think about my clinic and I think about my business, I think about you. I think about how I want you to be comfortable and I want you to get the help and the services and the offers, all of the things that you desire that's going to help you and heal your body and increase your performance, get rid of fatigue, fight whatever symptoms and the diseases that you are facing with. So I'm always thinking about you because there are different business owners out there that are just thinking about the money and how can I make some money? How can I just, put things out there for me? As you can see, there has been some hold on a few of my programs. I am not allowing anyone to enroll into my signature program because I am at capacity. And I do want to make sure that I am giving all of me to you all as you need it, specifically the people that are paying me the $15,000 for the 9 months or the 10 months. I'm here for you. I'm here for you. I take every single dollar that you guys exchange for the transformation that you're receiving very seriously. So I want to say thank you for your patience. Thank you for creating space and thank you for your understanding. And I wish I can do what I do for free because I can help so many people because I know many of you guys are going through some financial difficulties. I just wish. But unfortunately, just like you guys have, responsibilities and priorities to, people do that depending on you, I also have, in Maryland and I have a team that also have people depending on us. So we have to make that exchange, transformational care, I call it, right? You hire me to do the work and then you pay me to do the work and I do the work and then you feel good. And I also want to say thank you for all of you that are actually implementing my recommendations. Like you guys are kicking it. Like every single day, I'm getting either a call or a message, or I'm looking at lab results of you all doing well. And if you find yourself struggling with, taking actions, moving the needle forward when it comes to healing your body, I highly recommend that you ask yourself why. Because again, the number one thing that you have in this planet, okay, is your health. Like you cannot be present. You cannot make the money. You cannot work as hard as you like to. You cannot build your business. You cannot be there for your family if you don't have your health. I mean, obviously, you can wake up every day, drink coffee, drink some stimulants, pop some pill, and then call yourself productive, right? But at the cellular level, if we are being honest with ourselves, you're not quite there yet. So I just want to say, please be motivated to work on you. Whatever extra money you have spending on you, hire a great doctor. If, me, I would love it to be me, but it doesn't matter. I just want you to do well. I want you to have the energy. I want you to have to balance your hormones. I want you to lose that weight. I literally want you to do well. That's my number one priority that you, as the human being, is thriving in your body, thriving in your health. And if I can be a participant of it, if I can contribute to that, then please reach out. I would love, love, love to help you. But anyways, I wanted to preface this because it has been a while since I make a video, and I just wanted to say thank you, and I love you guys. I really do. I really love every single one of you. Doesn't matter whether you work with me or you sign up for a program or you take my prices or high, like whatever is coming up in your brain, I'm just gonna send love and hugs and kisses to you. Because as the human that we are, we're not designed to struggle. We're not designed to have challenges, specifically in your health. And we live in a disease country. Okay, so this country of ours is very like there's toxins everywhere. We live in a disease country. So my goal is to make sure that you know I'm here. We are being supported. We are here to do whatever is necessary to help you. You just have to reach out, and then we're willing to work with you in making sure that you're getting what you need. All right, so it's like a long intro because I miss you guys so much. I miss this weekly FaceTime. I just miss you guys. Okay. So the Ozone promotion is here. Yay! Oh my God. Okay. Since the beginning of this year, I've gotten so many emails from my suppliers with price increase. You're looking at one here. Like, my prices have gone up so significantly high as so many other prices, right? Like, I mean, have you gone to the grocery stores? Like the blueberry that used to be $5.99 is $7.99 now. So prices have gone up. And I've really worked to maintain my prices the same. And every year I'm getting an increase. Every single year I'm getting an increase. But we have not had a price increase in over 2 years. As a matter of fact, we had decrease. We moved $5 because when I purchase things in bulk, preservative free, and I'm like, okay, I can purchase, 20 bottles of vitamin C, preservative free. So I can get a discount, but again, I'm taking a risk of having so many products here that has no preservative and taking a risk of that product going bad, right? So that's why I'm always encouraging you guys to get the vitamins. Like if you can purchase a package, then I can keep my price the same. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to have a price increase soon. But before I do the price increase, I wanted to do the ozone therapy promotion. Okay, this is the second time I'm doing this promotion. Second time. If you remember back in the days when after we get certified, because everything I do in my clinic, in my practice, I have to be certified first. I don't just go see something online on Google and then bring it up because I'm dealing with people's body. Okay, I'm dealing with human beings. I'm dealing with people that has been suffering and struggling for years. Now they want an answer. They want to feel better, right? So every single thing that I do here, you better believe either I paid thousands of dollars or I went to all those conferences, they lock us up in a room, and then we have to do hands-on and practice, and then I come back here and practice on my family, practice on loved ones, and then I bring it to you. Listen to me. Ozone therapy happens to be the most sophisticated, the most healing of all my therapies, of all of my therapies. And you might be saying, well, Dr. Jeanty, you talk about vitamin C being your favorite. Yeah, vitamin C is my favorite. You talk about antiviral, energize you. So I have a short list of IV vitamin therapies that I recommend for different purposes. But with ozone, and many of you guys have gotten ozone already, right? Like if you are watching this video and like you can tell, I mean, you can agree with me that ozone has helped you a lot, whether it's pain that you face with, whether it's chronic fatigue, right? Whether it's the viral infections that you have, whether it's a lung issues, difficulty breathing, whether it's brain fog, ozone therapy can help. And how does it do this? It does it by infusing oxygen into your body. Okay? There are two things that I need. Of course, I have the generator and I have the UV light because I'm always enhancing and maximizing my therapies so that you can feel the difference in a shorter period of time. Okay? But there are two things we do in ozone. We need your blood and oxygen. That's it. It is simple, it is yet very sophisticated, It is healing, okay? And there's a lot happening when you get ozone. All right. So when it comes to immune system building, which is why I focus on the most, because every single thing can activate your immune system. Like an allergen can activate your immune system. A food sensitivity can activate your immune system, leading to inflammation. All of you are faced with inflammation right now. And many of you have really weak immune system. That's why a lot of you have gut infections that you're not aware of that's keeping you stuck and sick. And then you go into your doctors and they're like looking at you like everything is normal. You crazy, Papagenix. No. The body is amazing at what it does. At the same time, the body is being trained by us for a long period of time to continue doing the things that are not serving us. You understand? So with ozone therapy, not only this is amazing, but it's very simple. But yet it is a longer process. There's less. I always tell my patients simplicity is key. You can get a lot of healing, a lot of result with being simple, and that's what ozone is. So you guys have received this. Many of you guys will see this booklet. All right. So you can see that like ozone is oxygen and blood. It is good for chronic pain, whatever the chronic disease is. I had a patient that came into my clinic that couldn't walk, and she must be watching this video right now. She didn't give me the okay to say her name, but she knows who she is. She literally, like literally had to have her husband walk her upstairs, up the staircase. And at first she called to cancel her appointment. I'm like, no, don't cancel your appointment. Come in, let's get ozone. She, after ozone therapy, was able to walk. She had pain in her groin area. She thought it was her lymph nodes. Again, she's watching this video. She walked after ozone. So when I tell you, when I recommend something, either you have to give it time, because I know sometimes the things that we do to our body is a little weird, right? Like I don't know any doctors that's taking your blood and putting oxygen, put it back into your body, right? That's weird. But there are so many tools and resources out there to help you heal your body. The pill is not the only thing you should be doing. Okay, the herbs are not the only thing you should be doing. You should be coupling your treatments, whether you're receiving conventional treatment or functional treatment. It doesn't matter. We all need to do some type of intravenous infusion, no matter who you are, what you face with, where you are in your journey. I myself is consider myself to be healthy, right? But I always have things to address. Okay? I always have things to address. So I'm always looking for ways to optimize because when I felt amazing and my brain is on, that brain fog is not there, not only I can perform better, but I can really be present for you all. I give you great recommendations to go implement and you see results. But if I'm sluggish and I'm tired and I'm forcing myself to do the things that I need to do, my capacity is low, my energy is low, then I'm just going to be doing mediocre work, which is not me. Like everything I do 100%. So the ozone therapy is going to help you. It is better, it is safer than a baby aspirin, my friend. It is good for fatigue, cancer, Epstein-Barr virus, allergies right now, cold and flu. Okay? Like whatever. It is literally going to improve your immune system, improve your immune cells. It's going to decrease any autoimmune conditions you have. But again, when I say this thing, it's not just one infusion. Many of you guys think, oh, I'm just going to do one infusion. No. If you do autoimmune, if you do ozone therapy for at least 2 months, right? Like consistently without breaking it, I am telling you, the result will be significantly high. I have a patient right now. Her name is Melissa. And I can say her name because she's going to give me a Google review when she can. She told me that she went back to her autoimmune doctor. Her results were significantly low. And what she was doing was ozone. She did ozone, she did vitamin therapy. Her son purchased a whole bunch of vitamins for her. She didn't enroll into my program. She didn't do the $50,000 program, my friend. She only did the therapies, the IV vitamin therapies. And of course, when we do this thing, we have to come up with a maintenance, right? Because that's I tell people there's no cure when it comes to functional medicine. There's no cure. Because if you go back doing the same thing that you were doing, the disease and the conditions will come back. All right. So ozone therapy, autoimmune condition, you need ozone therapy. Cancer, you need ozone therapy. This increases circulation, decreasing inflammation. Okay. And then, of course, This is what we have. It is safe. It is safe. It is safe. It is safe. When I tell people it is safe, they don't believe me. And I'm telling you, if the things that I do here are not safe, I will not be in business. Because again, I'm dealing with people's body. People are paying me money out of pocket, and it is safe. All right? It is very safe. So how does it work? I don't do, you can have ozone, you can infuse ozone into your bladder. I don't do that here. You can inject ozone into your joint. I don't do that here. I do the blood. Because when I put that oxygen into your blood, it's traveling all over your body. It's gonna address whatever's there. Is the most healing. It is healing, it is gonna be the most like healing to your body. So we do blood. Okay, it's very efficacious, right? We have 60, so there's a whole procedure. It is good for 7 to 80% chronic diseases. We'll see a decrease in it. Okay, I use special filter. The special filter also kind of catch whatever debris or toxins that you have in the blood. So I'm actually cleaning your blood a little bit. So that's what makes it even better. And you can use ozone. It works for over 134 diseases. Infections, you need ozone. Inflammation, you need ozone. Lyme's disease, get rid of your doxycycline, get some ozone. Epstein-Barr virus that all of you that have been tested have antibodies for, you need ozone. Heart disease, you need ozone. Like bacteria, you need ozone. Like, I don't know. It is safer than the baby aspirin. So for the end of October, because I couldn't hold this promotion enough, and again, I want to thank all of you who's been there, who stick around for this promotion. I'm like, again, I'm sorry, and I want to say thank you. This is what the promotion is gonna be. Right now, you're paying, if you want to come to Myer, because there's a lot of equipment involved. We talk about the price, how I structure my price in a different video, if you're interested. But right now, you're paying $300 for ozone. The price right now is $250, but you also getting the Myers cocktail with it. The Myers cocktail by itself is $150 because it's that vitamins that I put into the fluid and I push it back into your body. Not only you are getting the inflammatory component from ozone, I have a patient right now, whenever she does ozone, she passes parasites. She's like, I see those things coming out of my body. Yeah. Because again, ozone's gonna do whatever it needs to do. Like I'm telling you, it's gonna do whatever it needs to do. When patient asks me what is it gonna do, I'm like, just allow it to do whatever it needs to do because everybody's different, right? Some people have a higher inflammation. Some people have lower inflammation. Some people's immune system are very weak. Some people have okay immune system, but they have more chronic fatigue. They have other things they're fighting. So some people have, stuff in the veins and arteries and interfering with the circulatory system. Some people don't. So I tell people why you should really allow ozone to do whatever it needs to do. But guess what? You cannot just do one infusion and be like, I'm done. No, many of you guys are like face struggling. I've been like for years, okay? For years. So we cannot just we have to be honest with ourselves. I'm not gonna do one ozone because it's 250, right? And then I'm done. No, I highly recommend you purchase 6 if you can. Again, you're not just getting ozone, you're also getting Myers cocktail at the end of it. So if you can purchase 6, please do so. And if you can schedule it to have once a week or twice per week, that's where you're going to feel the most. Okay? If you can purchase more than 6, I mean, I would love to be 10, but again, if we're talking about the budget, whatever, because the more you do, the better results, the more improvement you'll see. And then every time you do it for the same price, I increase the oxygen. Like I don't just have like nickel and dime you because I'm giving you more. No, absolutely not. I can increase the oxygen. I can increase the hydration in the tube. So I'm willing to do whatever we need to do for your particular body, for your particular situation. Because again, I wish I can just open my door and give all of the things to you all. I really do. So when I'm able to have control of your body, because I will be doing the ozone, okay? I'll be putting things into your body, which I like. Then I can increase, I can decrease, we get feedback from you. I can kind of customize it to help you, okay? So starting next week, the time I'm recording this is October 24th. This video is gonna go out tomorrow, Friday. You can start calling Marilyn to purchase your drip. We are also open on Wednesdays and one Saturday per month. If you cannot make it any of the days, you need to schedule that Saturday per month. We open for 4 hours on Saturdays because again, I really want to give time. We work so hard behind the scenes here. I want to give time to Marilyn and myself to be present for our families. But Wednesdays are open. And water. Schedule your drip on Wednesday. So we open Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, and then one Saturday per month. If you are interested in Ozone, which you all should be, whether you enroll into a program, whether you finish my detox program, whether you like thinking of the next steps, you need to be interested in Ozone. Whatever you have, whatever symptoms, Ozone is good for because it's oxygen I'm putting into your body. It's oxygen. It's simple. When the oxygen comes in contact and your cells are oxygenated, things are happening. We get sick, we get disease, we get inflammation because our body is not oxygenated enough. With ozone, we are lighting up. It's like you have room in the room. I mean, you have light in the room, so it's not darker anymore. So call Marilyn. Starting tomorrow, you can start purchasing your ozone drip, $250 with a Myers cocktail attached to it. Now, if you miss this promotion, again, I'm really working to see what the price increase will be because I have to increase my price, okay, to meet the demand of my suppliers. And if the price increase is not a thing, then we're gonna have to do packages so that I can purchase in bulk. But you have to purchase a package. You cannot do a one-off IV. If you do the one-off IV, then the price will be higher than the package, right? Because again, I wanna incentivize. Is that the word? Oh my God. I don't know the word. You guys know the word. I'm so excited for the ones that are really serious in helping the bodies. Okay? Like you need to do this. I don't know how else I can help you by just decreasing my price and giving you opportunity to do what you need to do. If you have any questions, reach out to me, reach out to Marilyn, and I can't wait to see your beautiful, lovely faces for ozone therapy. Until then, again, thank you so much for watching this video. And I just want you to do well. And we are entering a season where we're going to be faced and exposed because it's the holidays, it's Thanksgiving, it's New Year's, it's Christmas. You are going to have some kind of diseases. I'm telling you. It's either you wait until you get sick to do something about it, or you just do something about it to prevent and prepare yourself for what you are about to be faced with. All right. So you know the drill. Call us, send us messages, schedule your ozone therapy, and I will see you in the clinic. Bye.